Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a braided headband. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and let's get started. I used 37 inches length and 7 inches wideness, cut it into 3 places. Then for the second measurement, I used 9 inches and 4 inches wideness. Take it to your sewing machine and sew this place I'm marking and sew along those places. Also repeat the same for the longer material. Fold it and sew. So after sewing it, you turn it over. Watch the way I'm doing it. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share my videos. You can as well turn on the notification button to always notify you once I drop my videos. So I'm turning it over. Repeat the same for the other materials. So let's braid them together. Watch the way I'm doing it. You tie first before braiding. You can get someone to hold it for you after tying. So it's time to braid. Braid it till you get to the end. And also tie the ending part. Also tie it. Now we want to join the two hairs together, and you make use of your thread and needle. Make use of your thread and needle. So we'll make use of this to cover up the place that we've joined together. We'll also do that using our thread and needle. I'll show you how to attach that. So you can see how I'm doing it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so. And feel free to also share this video to your family and friends. Thank you so much for joining me. So after sewing with thread and needle, the next thing you need to do is to cut off the remaining parts before you turn it. Before you turn it, just the way I'm doing it now. And that is just that, how to make a braided headband. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.